So, seaweed, what's it good for? It's good for a lot of things, seaweed. I harvested this at the ocean the other day, put it in my dehydrator, and dehydrated. This stuff is great for fertilizer, for your garden, for any type of plant. It's actually great for people too. It's loaded with B12. It is really, really healthy. So I harvested it, dehydrated it. Now I'm going to show you how to make it into a powder. So you can either add it to smoothies, fill capsules with it. You can do all kinds of things with this to get it into you. So I'm just taking some and putting it in my grinder. It's kind of messy. It's like going to be all over the place because it breaks out. It flies all over. So we'll do this. So this was some that I ground up yesterday. Here it is, guys. It smells like the ocean. It really does. So this actually is great for, it'll make your cholesterol perfect. It's great for people with high blood pressure. It'll really regulate things. Do up another little. So I find one tray full of seaweed ground up is about half of one of these, and this is a cup and a half. So it goes pretty good. You can make it pretty fast. Like I say, it's loaded with B12. So get yourself out to the ocean, pick up some seaweed, dry it out. If you don't have a dehydrator, put it in an oven on 250 for 20 minutes. Once it's crunchy like this, you know it's ready. I like to get the wet stuff at the ocean and bring home in a dehydrator, but you could even pick up the dry stuff that's there and sun-dried already. Bring it home and bust it up. Put it in here, cook with it, put it in capsules, put it in smoothies, use it as a fertilizer. You sprinkle that in some water and it becomes kelp water, and you feed that to your plants. Seaweed. See ya.